Today we'll be covering how to create a new set of books in flowlog. A quick reminder for flowlog account admins, you can create as many sets of books as you require, as flowlog does not charge per set of books. So let's get started by giving this one a name. And we could choose a fiscal year end date. Enabling account help info will give you the ability to add help text for any accounts you may create. This is useful if you are creating the accounts for someone else or have team members that may benefit from the help text. If you're the only one keeping up with your books, then you may not want the clutter of question marks and form fields when creating accounts. We're going to go ahead and choose yes. Enabling account and group codes will allow you to add numerical codes with your groups and accounts. We don't really need this feature right now, so we're going to choose no. When you enable Books Auto Close, flowlog will automatically create your equity accounts such as owner's drawing and capital accounts, as well as generate any needed entries to debit and credit your accounts, closing your books at the end of the fiscal year. This relieves users from having to manually create these entry items and accounts. Any additional info about this feature can be found in the documentation section of flowlog.net. We're going to choose to enable this feature. And this is not for corporations, so we can choose no. If you enable automated book depreciation, flowlog will create a global depreciation expense account for your set of books, as well as your accumulated depreciation contra asset accounts for each depreciable asset account you create. This feature includes calculating depreciation for any entries in those accounts at the end of each fiscal year. There's more information about automated book depreciation in this help text, as well as in the documentation section of flowlog.net. Let's go ahead and enable this, and we'll save. So now we have created our new set of books, and once we have created some accounts and entries, our dashboard will give us a quick overview of the current status of our set of books, displaying the categories and accounts in pie graph format, where you can hover over each pie section to see the percentage of the category that an account represents. You will also see a list of accounts in each category with their current balances. You can read a little more about the dashboard in the documentation section of flowlog.net, as shown right here. And if you want a more comprehensive financial overview, you can view the reports page for your set of books, which contains a balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, equity statement, and depreciable assets. When you create a new set of books, flowlog will automatically create the categories and groups, which all have individual explanations in their help text, as you can see right here. You can edit and delete these groups. However, if you have accounts and entries tied to any group, you may be restricted from deleting them or editing certain features. If you enabled features such as Books Auto Close and automated book depreciation, flowlog will create and commandeer these accounts for you. If you need to edit your books, you can do so right here, clicking edit. And if you need to delete your set of books, you can also do so by clicking delete. And you will get a warning that this will delete your set of books and every record associated with it. And there's a little more here that you can read. So that's basically how you would create a set of books in flowlog. We hope this video was helpful and we welcome any feedback. And thanks so much for watching.